Company, right face.
March, march, march. My feet are killing me.
I'm putting in a transfer to another herd.
Silence in ranks. Dress up that line. Pull it in, Winifred. Inspection. Arms.
Stick your nose out. Like this? That's right.
Dusty muzzle, soldier. Remember, in battle, that trunk can save your life. Take good care of it, my man.
Yes, sir.
Let's have some more spit and polish on those bayonets.
Yes, sir. It's in the shrine for you, sir.
Esperate de Corps. That's where I earned my commission in the Maharaja's Pachyderm Brigade. Back in '88 it was. Or was it?
Here it comes, Victoria CrossFit again.
It was then I earned Victoria Cross for bravery above and beyond the call of duty. Those were the days. Discipline. Discipline was the thing, you know. Brings character and all that sort of thing. Now, where was I? Oh, yes. Inspection. Very good.
Why, thank you, sir.
Wipe off that silly grin, soldier. This is the army.
Yes, sir. Wipe the smile off my face, sir.
Lieutenant, that haircut is not regulation. Rather on the gaudy side, don't you think?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
There you go. Let's keep those heels together, shall we, child?
Okay, Pop, sir.
New recruit, huh? I must say, what happened to your trunk?
Hey, stop that!
Man cub, this is treason, sabotage. I'll have no man cub in my jungle.
It's not your junk.
Hold it. Hathi, I can explain.
Colonel Happy, if you please.
Yes, Colonel Hathi. The man cub is with me. I'm taking him back to the man village.
To stay?
You have the word of Bagheera.
Good. And remember, an elephant never forgets. I don't know what the army's coming to these days. These young whippersnappers, who do they think they are? Anyways. Company, right base. Forward, march.
Dear, haven't you forgotten something?
Nonsense, my friend, old girl. An elephant never forgets.
Well, you just forgot our child.
Oh, yes. Happy. Crank light. Crank light. Company, to the rear.
When I grow up, I'm going to be a colonel just like mine.
If I've told you once, I've told you 1,000 times.
Pop, down! Pop, you forgot to say ho.
He said an elephant never forgets.